Join us today as we explore the 1870s historic railroad tunnels near Donner Summit, above Donner Lake in Northern California, just west of Truckee. We begin by entering the west end of the tunnels. The tunnels were originally intended to cover the railroad and the train from snowfall and were built out of wood. Over time, those were replaced with concrete covers. This is a 75-foot wall built by the Chinese laborers, and this is the original route of the Lincoln Highway cresting the summit.
Hey, Pop. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. How you doing? How you doing?
Right here, the Lincoln Highway. Right there.
Down there, yep.
Yeah.
And come over here, you can see that. That's the China Wall. That's it, Highway 40 right here. This is Lincoln Highway. And here it is here.
So this would have been wood. It would have been, I guess.
Well, they probably put the wood down when they built the concrete buttress
Yeah.
instead of, because all originally wood. Maybe when they did 40, they probably put the concrete down. Not really sure how old the concrete is.
Yeah. It's clear there's multiple layers of various construction.
Yeah, it's probably 2 to 3.
Yeah.
There's the original, and it was all wood sheds with rock. And then they came in, and while it was still in use, they came in, buttressed it on the concrete. So see, this is the China Wall that we're walking across. The thousands of Chinese labor.
And that looks like concrete.
Yeah, so that was the concrete that replaced the original wood, original wood shed.
Right.
You know what? This one's here. You just throw it a little bit. Actually, I think I see it. Oh, it like crushes your hand. So cool. It's really weird.
Look at the screen.
Oh, sorry. Yes. What do you see? These
You can see trees. Oh, that's a
Shadows.
Oh well. So is this a place that's like closed in the wintertime?
Closed to what?
Closed in the wintertime to people walking through it and everything?
Oh, eventually it gets closed, yeah. But I think there are cross-country skiers, and
Huh.
I've seen mountain bikers come through here.
Yeah. But like, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, I didn't know you were here. Like, I'll just gonna time you the whole like,
So what are these slips here?
I think they're air hose,
Ah.
air holes,
Oh, right.
the exhaust.
Yeah.
The ones up there on the to the left, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Those are exhaust vents.
Yeah.
I think. I'm pretty sure.
No, that would make sense.
Yeah, they build the forms up there, place them, and then they pour the concrete. They pump the concrete up in it. Then they remove the forms.
You would have loved, when we were on the Rhone River, we went to this old Roman aqueduct, Pont de Garde, which still exists, big pieces of it still exist. And the whole engineering of this aqueduct
Oh, I'm sure.
is just incredible.
I'm sure.
See?
oh, it's okay. I'll probably take
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Shot.
No, you're good. It's your perspective.
Yeah, I know. Get over here in the light. A little beam of light.
Pretty elaborate painting,
I
huh?
don't know.